Now the first vocabulary section, the deaf world. We've already learned this a little bit. The first sign is culture. Culture. My C swings around my finger. Then we have deaf world. Deaf world. And by the way, this is the sign union flag, or the deaf culture flag, and it represents a hand and showing all the different parts of the world. This is the name sign for William Stokey. The story that I like to use to remember this is that he was known for playing the bagpipes on Gallaudet's campus, the Deaf University campus, and he would be out there in his full regalia, including a tam o'shanter with a little ball on top. So that is where his name sign comes from, or at least one of the stories. And he is the father of ASL linguistics. And the next video will be the first snapshot, some common misconceptions.